Welcome to the demo of Vicinity Campaign. The business goal is to develop a POC for producing location-based advertisements to a defined target base. There are various companies having multiple outlets across cities and have special discount offers for specific customers going on for attracting their consumers. For example, Domino's, McDonald's, CCD, Barista, etc. This application would help both companies and consumers by reaching out to the consumers at the right time when they are around the company outlets. Vicinity Campaign allows to define various locations for the outlets, the relevant advertisements for those locations, mapping the advertisements to the zones, and deciding the target base of consumers. Whenever the consumer enters into the zone of a particular company, he or she is sent an offer SMS depending on the offers which are applicable to him at that particular point of time. Vicinity Campaign uses a combination of Salesforce CRM, location-based service APIs, and Open SMS APIs. It allows to categorize the customers depending on their age, gender, and other factors. For example, Domino's might categorize kids in the age of 8 to 13 age group and offer them some discount like a chocolate cake free on a large size pizza. Along with this, it also ensures no spamming. That is, duplicate messages are not sent. The key features of the application are operator-dependent and independent business model, zone creation and management using Google Maps. A modular approach is followed in the sense that zone can be attached to an advertisement and vice versa. Easy contact management and categorization, that is, importing and exporting contacts from third parties. Open SMS APIs for bulk messaging, and location-based APIs from operator or third parties. Having understood the key features, let's discuss the two different business models, operator-dependent and operator-independent business model. The operator-dependent business model depends on telecom operators. For example, say Airtel. These operators will approach companies like Domino's, McDonald's, etc. to configure the zones and advertisement SMS for them. The operator's LBS API can then be integrated into a solution with minimal efforts. And with this value-added services, the operators can attract more users to their services. On the contrary, in operator-independent model, the companies buy data of potential customers from third party. They configure the zones and advertisement SMS for different outlet locations. Third-party LBS API are used here and integrated into solution to send messages to consumers belonging to different operators. The companies can in this way attract their existing customers as well as the new customers and reach out to them with their different discounts and other offers which they have for them. The modest components of the solution are zone management, advertisement management, contacts management, and simulator only for the demo purpose. Here is the high-level flow diagram. We can see the campaign configuration. Admin creates zone using Google Map. He then imports advertisements and imports the contact data. The next step is that admin associates the advertisement with the zone and also filters the target base. Target user's location is tracked by using location-based API. This is the campaign delivery. Whenever the target user is traveling and moves into one of the defined zones, the system finds the set message and checks its validity, like, is it valid to send that message to the consumer at this point of time? If the message is valid for sending, it is sent. A duplicate message is not sent to avoid spamming. And if the message is valid, it is sent and the status is managed into the system. This was the flow diagram. Now, let me show you the demo. Before telling you about the demo, let me tell you what are the future roadmap or future extensions to this application. To integrate a consumer loyalty program into the system, to categorize the customers into silver, gold, platinum bands, etc. and give offers to them accordingly is one possible extension to this application. Also, companies like McDonald's, Domino's already have a lot of data about their customers and we could take this data from them and integrate in our system to add value to both of them. Integration of these deals with collaboration platforms like Facebook, Chatter, etc. is also possible. Advertising using LBS is a hot cake in the market. Facebook has already launched services into US and it is expanding into Europe. Now, the demo we will see is of a prototype which uses standard GUI and objects. It utilizes the Salesforce CRM capabilities and targets to contact leads present in the system CRM. It can be enhanced to use custom GUI for look and feel similar to clients' existing business and sites. So with this understanding and with this expectation, let's move on to the demo. Here, the admin defines the contacts in the system. As you can see, there are two contacts, Nitin Parikh and Mansi Ratke, in the system, and their phone numbers are logged here. The admin then defines the zones. Here, one zone is defined for a shop, Domino's, at Sadar location. You can click here and see the zone marked with these 4 points. Now let's create another zone. Domino's has another shop at say Marte Square. Let's mark it here with these 4 points and save it. Now there are two options. You can save and add an advertisement to the zone. Let's go for the option of saving and adding an advertisement to the zone. We have an advertisement, Pizza Bonanza. Let's add it to the zone and save it. Now, let's see what are advertisements in the system. There is only one advertisement. We can add another advertisement. Say, special offer for today. Free 500 ml Coke on a large pizza and valid for today, and save it. Now we can attach an advertisement to the zone by clicking here on New Zone Advertisement. This is the advertisement and I'll select a zone, Marte Square. So I have defined now two advertisements for this. Now let's move on to the simulator. We can add new points to this simulator with the help of a Google map. This is our path which we will define. And say the user returns from here and travels like this and goes back here. Let's save this. You can see all these points are added as latitude, longitude. With the help of SMS tracking, we can see that there are no SMS that have been currently sent. Now, we will go to contacts and start simulating the movement. You can see here As you can see, the car entered the zone twice. First, on its way towards south, and then its way back. Similar was the case with the second zone. We have one advertisement associated with the first zone and two advertisements associated with the second zone. Now let's see the result. You can see that 3 SMS are sent to Nitin Parikh and 3 SMS have been sent to Mansi Radke. 2 SMS for the first zone and 1 SMS for the second zone. This was the demo of Vicinity Campaign. Thank you.